Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Queen & Company just released two adorable shaped shaker kits, Space and Princess. These are mini kits and don't include paper pads or shaker toppings, but Queen & Company sells a wide assortment of paper and toppings so you can customize the kits. Let me show you everything that's included in each kit. I'll start with the Princess kit. So there are 3 different dies that are included, and each of the dies includes the foam and acetate pieces that match perfectly with these dies. So there's this beautiful little crown. These all have this nice little stitching effect, and then a gem or a diamond, and then a princess wand, or this could be a fairy wand. And then all of the acetate pieces that will hold all of your little shaker toppings in. So there are 3 of each, so you'll be able to make a total of 9 shaker cards using this kit. And then of course is the sentiment stamp set. And Queen & Company always has really great fonts and sentiments to go with all of their kits. So that's everything included in the Princess shaped shaker kit. Now moving on to the Space shaped shaker kit. So this kit includes 4 different shapes, but you'll still get 3 of each of all of the acetate and the foam pieces. And the shapes are just a little bit smaller than the Princess kit. So there's this really cute little spaceship or rocket. There's the moon. And again, these all have that really nice faux stitching on them. And there's a little planet. And then the shooting star. I think I love this one the most. And then of course all of the matching acetate covers. And there are 3 for each of the different shapes. And it's hard to see with the reflection, but they match up perfectly with the dies. And then here is this super cute sentiment set. So another great variety. These are good like all year round for different occasions. So that's everything included in the Space shaped shaker kit. And since these kits don't include paper pads, here's just a few suggestions that I think would work well. So there's the Delightful Dots that has this great assortment of colors, you know, a nice rainbow with the larger polka dots and the little polka dots. And then Birthday Bash. This one's really nice for masculine and feminine cards since it has the pinks and greens and blues. So a nice variety of colors. And I always like their paper pads because it has some tone-on-tone designs along with the busier designs. Lots of stripes and polka dots. And then the Pretty Presents. This one has a different color theme, so it has a little more of the reds and oranges in there, yellows. But still a really nice variety, and these would be great for masculine or feminine cards. And then Picture Perfect. This is like a little softer, more pastel colors. It has lots of pinks, and then there's those greens and blues together again. Just really nice assortment. I think this one will work perfectly with both of the kits. And then the really cute Magical Character Collection. So I love some of the patterns in this one. It's another great variety for masculine, feminine cards. I love the star paper. That would go really perfectly with that Space shaped shaker kit. That's really hard to say all together. So just as some suggestions, obviously you can use any paper collections you would like. Really looking forward to starting on both of these kits, and I can't really decide which one's my favorite. I like different parts of both of them, so maybe leave me a comment and tell me which kit is your favorite. So I will have links to both of the kits as well as those paper pads in the description box if you are interested in purchasing any of those. And stay tuned because coming soon I will be sharing videos of the cards using both of these kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.